Hi, I'm Karthik from Fisherman Training Institute, Salalah. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you Introduction to Microsoft Expression Web 4. Once again, I repeat the topic Introduction to Microsoft Expression Web 4. So, these are the objectives in which I'm going to teach you using this presentation. First, let me see Introduction to HTML and what is a website, what is a web page, exploring expression web environment, how to create an empty website, how to add a web page to empty website, how to save a web page, how to preview the HTML output in a web browser. Let me see one by one. First, what is a website? A website is a collection of web pages that are accessed through a common URL. So what is a URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Once again I repeat the definition. A website is a collection of web pages that are accessed through a common URL called as Uniform Resource Locator. So here are some of the examples for website: www.umenair.com, www.neveros.com, www.manpower.gov.om, www.bankmusket.com, www.htc.edu.om. So these are some of the examples for website. So why people visit website? There are generally two reasons. Generally people visit website for two reasons. What are they? To find information they need to complete the task. Once again I repeat, people visit website for two reasons: to find the information they need to complete the task. What is a web page? A web page is an electronic document that runs on a web browser. Once again I repeat, a web page is an electronic document that runs on a web browser. Okay, so a web page can be static or dynamic. So what is the definition for a web page? A web page can be in any electronic document that executes using web browser or that runs on a web browser. We can call it as a web page. A web page can be static or dynamic. Let me see what is a static first. So what is a static web page? A static web page is a web page in which the content of the web page cannot be changed based on the user interaction. See, based on the user interaction, if the website content changes, we can call it as dynamic. So what is a static? The content of the web page cannot be changed based on the user interaction. If it is a criteria, if it is a condition, we can call it as static web page. So example for static web page is nothing but HTML or .html files. And next, what is a dynamic web page? A dynamic web page is a web page in which the content of a web page can be changed based on the user interaction. If any web page that changes its contents based on the user interaction, we can call the web page as a dynamic web page. So example, you can use the ASP or ASPX, JSP, PHP or ASPX as a dynamic web page technologies. So what is an HTML? So why? Because for creating a web page, HTML is an basic. So once again I repeat, for creating a web page, HTML is a basic. So what is HTML? So H stands for hyper, T stands for text, M stands for markup, and L stands for language. So what is HTML? HTML is used to write information on World Wide Web. So what is a World Wide Web? In short, we used to say as W3, World Wide Web, using pre-formatted tags. Once again I repeat, HTML is used to write the information on World Wide Web using pre-formatted tags. Okay. So what is World Wide Web? World Wide Web is nothing but a universal database collection of information such as audio files, video files, text formatted files, images, etc., etc. We can call it as an World Wide Web, or else we can call it as World Wide Wide. So what are tags? So the less than and greater than symbol. So these are called as tags. So less than symbol is the opening tag, greater than symbol is a closing tag. All HTML information should be written within these tags. So whenever you want to write any HTML information, you want to use these tags. For example, I want to uh, write an information, welcome to Fisherman Training Institute. I'll be using a tag called as see. It's an opening and closing tag. So all HTML output should be viewed using any web browser. How to view an HTML output? So you can use a web browsers like Firefox, Chrome or Nescafe, anything to view an HTML output. All HTML files should be saved with either .html or .htm as an extension, file extension. Once again I repeat, all HTML files, if you want to save an HTML file, you should save with .html or .htm as a file extension. So HTML document structure. So HTML will be having a document structure. Whenever you are creating any HTML document, you want to follow this document structure. So HTML document always starts with HTML tag, and next comes your head tag, and within head tag there is a title tag, and then you want to close the head tag, and then comes your body tag. So in between the body tags you can write all the information what you want to display on a web page, and then you want to close the HTML tag. So all HTML document should follow the document structure. Okay. So next point, most of the HTML tags comes in pair. What is a pair? So opening and closing tags. So for example, this is the opening and this is a closing tag, right? So opening tag, all tags without / is called as an opening tag. See, this tag doesn't have an /, so it is called as an opening tag. So in this example, HTML and body, these are called as opening tags. And what is a closing tags? All the tags with / are called as closing tag. So this is a /. See, this HTML and this body are called as closing tags. The tags with / are called as closing tags. So now I will teach you how to create a small HTML file. So first, in order to do this, I'm going to open a new document and I'm going to type, and before that, so I'm going to so I'm going to open an WordPad and type the following code: HTML head and title. So you want to type welcome to Fisherman Training Institute and close title, and then close head tag and open body tag, then type Fisherman Training Institute is very good institute or college, and close your body tag, and then you want to close the HTML tag. Once again I repeat, open the HTML tag, then open head tag, and then open title tag. So you want to give the title welcome to Fisherman Training Institute, and close the title tag and close the head tag, open body tag, so and then write the information Fisherman Training Institute, a very good college, and close your body tag and close the HTML tag. Now save it. So I'm going to save as ex1.html. It's a file extension. .html is called as a file extension. I'm going to save it in desktop and save. I'm going to close it. Now here you can able to see ex1. So it's an internet file. So I'm going to open this. So where this is your web page where you can able to see welcome to Fisherman Training Institute is in title, and this is a content. Fisherman Training Institute is a very good college. So this is how you want to use it. So where you want to save, here you can able to see this symbol. It means that this can be opened with any browser, web browser. So this is called as a title, and this is called as a address or URL, and this one is called as the content or a body. And now we are going to discuss about basic HTML tags. Okay. For example, structuring tags or most popular or frequently used HTML tags. First comes the HTML tag, tells www that is an HTML document. Head tag, add info. Whenever if you want to add any information about your tag, you can add. That will not be appear on a page. Title places the title of a page. So body tag encloses the section of a page that will be displayed on your browser. If you want to feed anything on your web page, you should feed the thing in between your body tags. And next comes heading tag h1 to h6, increase or decrease the text size. and this a P is a paragraph tag, and BR is an line break tag, and order list. If you want to use any order list, for example creating bullets like this, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can use an unorder list. And next comes OL is an order list, where you can able to see the list will be ordered by numbers or by alphabets and so on. And HR is a horizontal ruler, create an horizontal line on a page. And B stands for bold, and I stands for italic, and it's an image tag. And linking, you want to use anchor reference or hyper reference, create a links to another document. And next comes to Expression Web 4. So what is an Expression Web 4? The Microsoft Expression Web 4 is an IDE. What is an IDE? Integrated Development Environment. So what this Expression Web 4 provides? It provides a wide range of web solutions. Any kind of web solutions can be solved using this IDE. So what is your basic requirements? For example, it should have 1 GHz or faster processor, 1 GB of RAM, 2 GB or more available hard disk space, .NET framework, Silverlight 4.0, and support for Microsoft DirectX 9 graphics with Windows Vista display, and driver module, and 128 MB of graphics RAM or more, and DVD, and 1024 into 768 or higher resolution monitor with 24-bit color. So these are the basic requirements for Expression Web 4. So how to open Expression Web or Web Expression or Expression Web? See, first go to Start button and go to All Programs, and then go to Microsoft Expression and click on Microsoft Expression Web 4. Once again I repeat, click on Start button where you can able to see all programs, click All Programs, then go to Microsoft Expression and click Microsoft Expression Web 4, where you can able to see the environment. So here, so this is called as a title bar, and this is called as menu, and this entire area is called as a standard toolbar, and this are called as page tabs, and this one is a toolbar, and this one is an apply and manage tabs, and this is called as an editing area, and this one is called as an folder list, and this is called as an property window or area tab or tab area, and this is called as a view toggle or design window. Once again I repeat, so this red light is called as an title bar, and this green one is called as an menus, this white one is called as an standard toolbar, and this color is called as an toolbar, and this is called as, this entire area is called as apply and manage and manager tabs, and this one is called as a view toggle and design window, and this is called as property window or area tab, and this is called as folder option. Again I repeat, so this is called as title bar, and this menu, and this one is a standard toolbar, and this is called as page tabs, and this is called as folder list, and this is called as a property window or tab area, and this is called as view toggle or design window, and this one is called as a toolbar, and this is called as apply and manage tabs. So how to open a website in Expression Web 4? So in file tab, so here you can able to see the menus. In menus you just click on site tab, where you can able to see the new site. You click on new site, where a new dialog box will be opened. You want to select general empty, and then here you want to give the location where you want to save it, and here you want to give the name of a website. Okay, now I named it A, B, C and D. Let me see one by one. Let me see A. So general option for creating consists of one page site, empty site and import site wizard. So there are three options: one page site, empty site and import site wizard. And next, one page site creates a new site with a single blank document, and empty site create a new site with nothing on it, and import a new website wizard create a site filled with documents from a directory on your local computer or a remote file system. So but we want to create an you want to select empty site for creating an empty one. Next, you can change the location of your website by clicking the browse button. By clicking the browse button, you can able to select a folder. By selecting, you can able to change the location, and you can change the website name by giving a new name. So here you can give the new name. By giving the new name, you can able to save the website in a new name. So adding a web page to an empty website. So go to file, where you can able to find new, and then click on HTML. So how to view an HTML code in a web browser? It's very simple. Go to file, where you can able to find preview in a browser, and then when you click on this, it will list out the installed web browser. Select any one to view the output. How to save a web page? So there are two ways. Either you can able to see the save button on a common toolbar, or else go to file, where you can able to find save. Shortcut is Ctrl S. You can able to save a web page. Okay, now I will show a practical demo. So now I am going for Microsoft Web Expression 4. So now Microsoft Expression Web 4 is going to open. Just wait for a second. Okay. Now this is an environment. So what is this? This is called as a title bar, and these are called as menus, and this is a standard toolbar. So folder options or folder list. This is a page tab, and this one is a properties window or area, and this is nothing but a view toggle, and this is a toolbar, and this is an apply and manage tabs. Okay, so how to create a new website? So here is a site. See, this is a menu. In menu, just click on site. When you click on site, you can able to see a new site. You click on new site. So where you'll be having a general and templates. If you want to use the existing template, you can select this, or else if you want to create an empty one, you want to select empty site, or else one page site, empty site, and import site wizard. So in case of one page site, create a new site with a single blank page, and create a new site with nothing in it, and create a site filled with document from a directory on your local computer or a remote file system. So just select empty website, and if you want to change the location, just click browse and select a file, and if you want to give a name, provide a name, FTI, and click OK. Okay, so again I want to select a new one. Okay, once again I will do it. Site, new site, empty site. Okay, so a new website has been created, an empty website has been created. Now we are going to add an HTML file. How to add an HTML file? Go to file, go to new, click HTML file. So now I am going to type welcome to Fisherman Training Institute, Salala. Okay, then how to view this? Go to file. So here preview in a browser, you can select any one of this browser. Now I'm going to select Chrome. So here is an information. You must save your changes before previewing it. Okay, so I'm going to save it as a default. And now file, preview, Chrome. Now the browser is going to open, so where you can able to see the information. Welcome to Fisherman Training Institute Salala. This is how you want to use Microsoft Expression Web 4 for creating a simple HTML web page. I think you may enjoy this video. Thanks for watching this video, and just if you have any further queries, just email me karthik.me.vlr@gmail.com, or just log into my blog karthik.kr3ik.blogspot.in. And thanks for watching this video.